And the Messenger of Allah said, man says, Mali, Mali. Mali, Mali, my wealth, my wealth. This is, all this I earned. Mali, Mali. And the Messenger of Allah said, Hal min malika illa ma akalta fa afnayt. He said, what wealth? The only wealth you have is that food that you've eaten. Wa labista fa ablayt. And those clothes that you wore and then you wore out. Wa tasaddaqta fa amdayt. And yes, the sadaqah that you gave in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because you will see that by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ma indakum yanfadu wa ma indallah baq. As Allah says, what you give in the path of Allah, ma indakum yanfadu, what you have will perish. But what you send by Allah, what you send by Allah will remain. That will remain with you in your grave, in your akhirah. So man says, look at my wealth. Look at the millions I've earned. But what? But what? You had 2 rotis, 3 rotis, you had a couple of meals, that's it. Finish. Khalas. The clothes that you wore, gone. And when you're put in your grave, your wealth is gone. Your children is gone. And the only thing which will remain behind you is what? Your actions. Hatta zurtumul maqabir. Until you see you are placed in your graves, you will realize the reality of the dunya.